Welcome to our great company, Empowered Consumerism, and what we're trying to share to you is a 16 years tested and proven system and platform. Alam niyo po, we've been to 17 countries na po na merong branches ng ating company, and from north to south po, meron po tayong mga offices. Now, we're here to change people's life for the better, and we're promoting health and wealth. Ngayon, to whom do we owe the success that we're enjoying right now? Of course, to our board of directors. Dr. Cabantog, our visionary president, CEO, Sir Jan Aspirin, our chief marketing officer, and of course, our boss out there in heaven, our chief finance officer, the mentor of all mentors, Engineer Franz Miguel. Yan. Okay, diretso natin. Isa pang kailangan tanungin, legal ba tayo? I'll go straight to the point. Ingat tayo sa mga scam na kumpanya o mga pyramiding companies. So only after your money. Para makasiguro kayo kung talagang legal ang kumpanya, may BIR, may SEC, at may DTI registration. Lahat yan meron po tayo. And I would like to inform you, years ago, our company was even part of the top 1,000 highest tax-paying company po sa buong Pilipinas. And when you talk about awards and recognitions, hundreds na po. All over the world po yan. Next. Ang nagpatibay ng ating kumpanya are definitely the partners of the company. Okay, NatureSway and Wither are both multi-billion US dollar companies. AMS Life po is a multi-billion yen company and DSM is a multi-billion euro company. Kaya po, ang ating kumpanya Empowered Consumerism naman po is a multi-billion peso company. Ganun kaganda yan. Ngayon, pag pinag-uusapan ng food supplements, I would like to inform you we have the best of the best in our company and introducing, of course, the carrier product C Supreme. Proven, scientific, breakthrough and new, and compared to other kinds of vitamin C with supreme absorption, retention, and definitely performance. Now, Doc, sige. Ascorbic acid, 500 milligrams. Paano sinabing mas supreme sa ibang klase ng vitamin C available in the market? Now, first and foremost, every time we talk about vitamin C, thousands of studies, decades of clinical research, really good for the body. Pero ang produkto natin, hindi lang vitamin C ang laman. Meron pa siyang citrus bioflavonoids complex, also a strong antioxidant, whose function is to prevent the free radicals from damaging the vitamin C component of our great product. So, intact. Ano pa? Nababalutan po ito ng safe vegetable waxes or tinatawag na lipid metabolites. What will be the significance? Inumiming produkto. From the stomach, it will proceed to your intestines. It will enter the blood vessels and within minutes will be already inside the different cells of the body. Sabi nga po nila, Dok, teka lang. Ang ganda ng binabanggit natin, definitely. Within minutes, absorb na ng katawan natin yan. So, ang tanong ngayon, okay, Dok, talaga bang may pruweba tayo dyan? Okay. Ito na po yung mga scientific studies na ginawa ng ating manufacturer. Number 1, pinataas po yung level ng antioxidants. Paano kanyo nangyari yon? Kasi nga po nadagdagan ng citrus bioflavonoids complex. Tapos yung retention po ng vitamin C sa katawan, napatagal, napataas. Why? Nabalutan kasi ng lipid metabolites. Then na-promote pa natin yung fibroblast saka collagen healing. Yan, napapapuso na yung ating mga kasama. Okay? And every time we talk about collagen healing, it means faster wound healing. What else? Pinababa ang level ng C-reactive proteins. Okay? Ibig sabihin po nun, makakaiwas tayo sa iba't ibang klase ng sakit. At the same time, nababawasan yung swelling sa blood vessel to promote good flow of blood. And one thing I love most is protektado yung immune system natin from different kinds of toxins. Ito pa. Pinababa ang bad carriers ng cholesterol. Pinalakas ang kanyang free radical scavenging activities. And if you're looking for a product na talagang maganda po sa inyong nervous system, okay, at pati na rin po sa lungs, then this is the product for all of us and the name is C Supreme of Empowered Consumerism. Ang ganda niyan. Now, isa pang paborito kong produkto natin ay yung C24/7, our former flagship product. Yan, okay, sabi nga po, Doc, maganda rin po ito. 22,000 phytonutrients. May vitamins and minerals, amino acids, green foods, fruits and vegetables, mushrooms, okay? Tapos digestive enzymes, herbs, and definitely essential omega fatty acid. Sabi nga po, Doc, teka lang. Ang daming laman nun. Doon pa lang, kota na eh. But I would like to inform you from the vitamins down to the essential fatty acid. These were the components of our first flagship product na ang tawag natin Complete Phyto Energizer. When the company started 2006 and when I joined the company 2008, wala pa tayong C24/7. Ang meron tayo nun, complete. Okay? Sa complete pa lang talagang na-inlove na ako kaya nag-join ako sa company. Pero you're more fortunate. Why? Kasi ang ginawa ng ating mga board of directors, dinagdagan pa po ng 5 anti-aging at 4 na longevity polyphenols o mega resveratrol blend. Dok, hindi ba yan din yung laman ng isa pang magandang produkto na ang pangalan Restore Life? Tama po. So kung iisipin nyo mabuti, yung 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life with 5 anti-aging plus everything incomplete, they were added up to finally come out with this great product that we call C24/7. Yun ang magandang usapan. Kaya nga, sabi ni Doc, ang ganda ng produkto natin. Year 2016 was voted as the #1 food supplement in the world. Now, to continue with this. Ito pa. Marami pa tayong mga produkto mga ganda, but this time, I'm only gonna mention to you the most important functions of this great product. Complete Phyto Energizer may 16,000 phytonutrients. Ang C24/7, 22,000. So, doon pa lang alam na natin that C24/7 is better than Complete by 6,000 phytonutrients. At lahat ng laman ng Complete, part din po ng C24/7. Pero ang tanong, kailan pa natin ibibigay ang Complete? Sa buntis, breastfeeding mom, or lactating mom. Pag ang babae pa may problema sa kanilang reproductive organs. If they're taking blood-thinning synthetic medications, if they're suffering from bleeding or bleeding tendencies, kung may problema po sa kidney, sa liver, the preferred product for those kinds of clients will be what? Complete. And for the rest of your clients, go with C24/7. Yun po yun. Ngayon, isa pang produktong nabanggit ko na rin kanina is Restore Life from the words restore your life or rejuvenate your life. Sabi nga po, Dok, teka lang, pampahaba ng buhay. Paano nangyayari po ito? According to medical studies, if you will take resveratrol, as it goes inside your nucleus, it will repair your damaged DNA. So yung sinisira ng mga free radicals will be repaired by this product. Maliwanag po. So sabi nila, Dok, sabi nila, it can prolong our lives by 30% or more? Yes. Kaya gandang inumin yan. Hindi lang yun. It can speed up your metabolism, can break down the fats to form energy, can help normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol, good for the nervous system, with a great level of antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Grabe yan, no? So let me repeat, my dear leaders. Yung 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life with 5 anti-aging plus everything incomplete, they were added up to finally come out with this great product that we call C24/7. Yan yung mga pang-adult. Maliwanag po. Now, yung mga bata na 2 years old pa pataas, you can give them Kili 24/7 Nutragamis. It's all natural. They will love the taste para kala kumakain ng gamis. Pero ulitin ko, organic natural po ito. With 14 vitamins and minerals and 26 fruits and vegetables. Dok, teka lang. You were able to mention earlier, per capsule ng C24/7 sa complete, 12 fruits, 12 vegetables, in total 24. Ito 26, mas mataas ang dalawa. Yes, why? Be able to compensate yung sa mga bata na hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay sa kanang prutas. Kaya talagang maganda po sa mga bata po ito. Okay? Now, bigyan mo na rin ng may choco. Why? To enhance their brain memory. Sabi nga po, Dok, kailangan ng mga bata. Hindi lang bata, pati na rin po tayo. Now, why again? DHA. Importante yon. Itong may choco sa Kaliben Coffee, by the way, are both herbal beverages. Paano nangyari? Because 1/3 of the milligrams of complete with 16,000 phytonutrients were added to both Liban Coffee and My Choco. Kaya talagang the best inumin itong mga to. Hindi lang yan, alkaline pa. Safe sa ating stomach. Ngayon, ang Liban Coffee, by the way, my dear leaders, ito po ay, sabi nga nila, world class. Bakit? May coffee Arabica. Mababa ang caffeine, safe sa ating puso. At ang daming flavors or variants. We have the original, latte, cappuccino, at ang paborito ko, yung sugar-free. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, bakit sugar-free? Walang asukal, hindi masarap. Napakatamis, napakasarap. 300 times the sweetness of sugar. Why? Paano nangyari? Kasi merong stevia. Okay? Stevia po ang laman nito. Kaya nga, safe sa mga diabetic, walang asukal eh. Ano ba po? Can help normalize your blood pressure. Okay? May antibacterial properties. Can help strengthen the bone because of calcium production with a great level of antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. Maliwanag po. So maganda yung produkto natin, di ba? Sabi nga po, these are the wonderful beverages of our company. Herbal beverages po. Ngayon, if by chance may kliyente kayo na naghahanap ng mga whitening products, meron tayong whitehead saka perfect white, perfect combination. Ang whitehead po in bottle form, i-shake nyo, spray under your tongue, patagalin nyo po ng 1 minute, And that will be enough time for the glutathione and vitamin C to enter the blood vessels. It will flow with the blood, and within minutes again, will already be inside the different cells of the body. Fast absorption din to. Now, ano mga pwedeng mangyari? It may help lighten up your skin. Puputi. Yeah, tumutulong. It can help. Sabi nga po, doktor ka lang. Pero I would like to clarify this issue na ang whitening effect po ng glutathione is only one of the side effects of glutathione. Kaya nga po madali siyang ibenta, madali po siyang i-promote. Why? Kasi ang habol ng kliyente mo, pumuti. Where in fact, side effects pa lang yun. Because the main function of glutathione, I would like to inform you, is a strong antioxidant, anti-cancer, and a detoxifier, not just for the liver, but of course, for the entire body. Yun. Ganun kaganda po yan. Sabi, Dok, okay ito Sabihan mo ng Perfect White. Why? Meron siyang L-cysteine peptide. Pag sinabi niyo pong cysteine, pag ininom mo yan, it will help in the synthesis of glutathione. Dok, it will help in the synthesis of glutathione. Yun ang kagandahan ng Perfect White, ng cysteine. So lahat ng talab ng white light will also be seen in Perfect White. Dinagdagan pa ng astaxanthin. Ano yun? May Botox effect, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging properties. At meron pa siyang apple polyphenols, anti-UTI. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, these two will be the perfect combination pag talagang whitening na healthy pa sa katawan. Now, another product that I love to take every day is of course Colidus na merong omega supreme fatty acid. Best taken during mealtime. Why? Para pag kayo po'y kumakain ng mga matatabang pagkain, matadaming kolesterol, bawas-bawasan niyo po but if never kumakain kayo ng ganung klase ng mga pagkain or meal, okay? Isabay mo to. Para pagpasok po ng sobrang cholesterol inside your intestines, itong produktong ito will help pull the excess cholesterol and can bring it out to your poops. So number one, it can help lower down or normalize your blood cholesterol. And number two, can also help break down the fats to form energy that even a pregnant lady can take it once a day. Maliwanag po. Ngayon, talking about the blood vessels, dalawa po ito. Vida Drink Mix and Vida Max. Parehas po sila mayroong resveratrol. Dok, yun yung sa Restore Life kanina. Kaya nga po, ang number one function is vasodilation. Tumutulong magpaluwag ng blood vessels. Kaya kung may mga kakilala kayong high blood na may mga gamot, anti-hypertensive medication, isabay mo to, hindi replacement pang sabay. Why? To help normalize the blood pressure. Next, pampabilis ng metabolismo. Na-explain natin kanina. At meron siyang bonus lycopene. Why? Antioxidant, anti-atherosclerosis. If you're gonna direct your attention to sa blood vessels sa bandang kanan, yung pinakakanan, yung may kulay dilaw, yung po yung atherosclerosis, that's the hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall. Maliwanag po. So pag ininom mo yung produkto natin na may lycopene, napiprevent natin yun. Okay, napiprevent natin yung formation ng atherosclerosis. Why? To promote good flow of blood and of course, to help normalize the blood pressure. Ang kantang inamin yan, ang sarap po. Now, may Vidamax, may resveratrol, napag-usapan na po, pero this time may fruit flow. What is fruit flow? It will help prevent abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels. Thus, can also help prevent the possibility of heart attack and even stroke. Isa lang, once a day, more than good enough. Now, yung CardioPulse po, it's a wonderful procedure. Okay? Pag kayo po bagong join sa ating company, you will be given a certificate para ma-avail nyo yung free CardioPulse test sa ating po mga centers and offices. It will be clumped on your left index finger, will run for 3 minutes, and after which, may resulta na kaagad. Type 1, healthy arteries. Type 7, unhealthy yan. Bibigyan namin kayo ng result. Ang kagandahan yan, at the back of the results, will be the recommendations on the specific products of the company that will be best for you and for your clients. Siya nga po pala, magmula po na magpandemya, syempre po, pinatigil muna natin to observe social distancing. Again, we're hoping and praying na sana po ay makabalik na po tayo sa old normal lives natin para mapagawa na rin po ito. And please lang po, tago niyo yung mga certificates niyo. Why? Para pag pinagawa mo to, it can give you an initial assessment if your blood vessels are functioning well. That is the beauty of the product. Okay? Or should I say, of this procedure. Next. Maganda pong ating mga natural essential products. Let's begin with the herbal toothpaste. Okay? Meron siya 5 klase ng herbs. May antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. At the same time po, habang pinagsisipilyo mo po yan, it can also repair the gums of the oral cavity. Kung kayo may mga singaw or lucay or mouth sores or stomatitis, Subukan yung gamitin po ito. Within 2 to 3 days po, it will start to heal. May anti-swelling properties pa yan. Ang bango pa sa bibig. At ang kagandahan niya, may kasama pang complete yan. That's why, while you're brushing your teeth, the components of complete will enter the blood vessels in your mouth and will circulate to your entire body. Ano pwede mangyari? Whiter teeth, fresher breath, healthy mouth, and of course, a healthy body. Yun yun. Ngayon, feminine wash, masculine wash. Dalawa yan. Bawal maghiraman na mag-asawa because the pH of the vagina and the penis is said to be different. Kaya specific po ito. Of course, both of which will require you, okay, to take a bath with soap. Of course, take a bath first with soap and water. Okay? Maglagay ng konting feminine wash, ladies. Imagine that this will be the vagina, yung opening sa gitna, bounded by the major and minor lip, pahiran niyo po ng feminine wash. Pati po yung clitoris, tapos po yung anus. Let the product stay there for 2 minutes. Why? To take effect. And after 2 minutes, wash it out. So, doon ang mga advantages, ano mga benefits? Anti-UTI, anti-swelling, anti-itchiness, antioxidant, and definitely anti-cancer. Gandang gamitin. For a while, let me drink my coffee po. Okay? Sarap. The best. The best. Now, tala natin sa same thing. Take a bath with soap and water. Apply nyo po yung masculine wash, yung pinaka-tip ng penis. Of course, entire body or shaft. Yung scrotum pore covering of your testicles. Then, of course, on the anus. And after 2 minutes, wash it out. Sabi nga, Doc, ilang beses ginagamit? Kung healthy ang vagina or penis or external genitalia, isa lang. But if you're suffering from UTI, urinary tract infection sa ihi, or sexually transmitted diseases, STD, use it twice a day, umaga po saka sa gabi. Clear? Okay. Now, what else? It's time for us to lose weight. Body under right nutrition. Why? Para healthy syempre po tayo. Makaiwas sa iba't ibang klase ng mga sakit like hypertension, hypercholesterol, heart attack, stroke, diabetes. I can recommend to you these products. Talagang maganda po. Burn Slim muna po. Majority of the components of Burn Slim will also be present in the other Burn products. Inumin niyo po yung Burn Slim 30 minutes before a specific meal. Why? Number 1, para yung tabang kinakain niyo will not be absorbed by the body, it will just be defecated. Pangalawa, para mabawasan po ang inyong appetite. Yun. Okay? And of course, I would also like to inform you, talagang para maging effective ang pag-papayat, exercise for 30 minutes daily. Why? To help break down the fats and sugar faster. And at the same time, one more thing I would like to suggest is that if you will take food supplements, drink lots of water. Okay? And of course, think positive. So what will happen here? It will help break down the fats inside your cells, inside your liver, and definitely inside the body. Gandang gamitin yan. Okay? Now, may Burn Shake tayo. It's a replacement meal. Pangpalit sa isang kain. Doc, explain further. Okay. So, for example, yung breakfast mo na kinakain sa umaga, kalimutan mo na, palit mo to. In a tumbler filled with water, ilagay mo po yung produkto, then shake it well. 111 calories na ang sarap, cookies and cream. Inumin dahan-dahan, enjoy drinking the product. Kung medyo bitin ka pa, pwede kang kumain pa ng gulay sa kanang prutas. For example, pwede mong samahan ng mansanas. Because a medium-sized apple only contains 90 calories. Yan na. Okay? It only contains 90 calories. So, 111 plus 90 is only 201. Let's make it 200. Ang isang meal natin, nag-average po ng 700. So, if you're going to remove the 700 and replace it with 200, so 700 minus 200 is 500 calories. For what I've studied, if you're going to remove 500 calories daily, you're bound to lose 1 pound per week, 4 pounds in 1 month, and 48 pounds in a year. Ganda, no? Gandang gamitin ng produkto natin. Very good po talaga. Ngayon, lahat ng laman ng Live & Coffee, nandiyan na rin po sa Live & Coffee Burn. Tapos pwede ka pa mag-burn ng fats. And if you're looking for an iced tea, I will suggest go for the Mati iced tea. Why? Number 1, antibacterial. Second, okay, meron po siyang antioxidant properties. Okay? Anti-cancer. And definitely, you can be able to lose weight. So, paano ba iniinom yan, Doc? Burn Shake for breakfast. Live & Coffee Burn by 10 o'clock. Burn Slim 30 minutes before lunchtime. And at around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, you go for the Mati iced tea. Exercise, diet, lots of water, think positive, and I will assure you, you're about to lose weight. Yon. Now, what else? Eto na. Paglabasan nga po tayo ng energy natin, there you go. Energy diffuser. Napakaganda. Why? It will counteract the serious and long-term harmful effects of electromagnetic field radiation. Okay? Yan po yan eh. Alam nyo, you can put it in your cell phone, tablet, laptop, refrigerator, television. Lahat, pwede mong ilagay yan. And may mga leaders tayo who try to test the efficacy of this great product by buying an electromagnetic frequency device. Minonitor po nila yung amount ng radiation ng kanilang mga gadgets and appliances. And true enough, ang taas, pumapalo talaga. But when they place the diffuser, you know what? It went down to zero. Protektado tayo. It will serve as an extra protection. Tapos, isuot mo na rin to. This one. The energy bracelet. Ang ganda-ganda po nito. Sabi nga, two-tone, kahit naka-casual ka, naka-rugged, naka-formal, pwede. But what I'm after is, of course, the health benefits. Why? Infusion process that will create subtle energy, sabi nga po, nagpapatibay ng ating chi or inner energy. Ano pwede mangyari? Can help bring balance to our body, can help lower down your physical and mental stress, can help improve your metabolism and strengthen your immune system, and can also help, strengthen your chakra or aural field. Why? Anti-radiation. And according to our manufacturer, the anti-radiation properties of our energy products are all said to be lifetime. Ganda, no? Ganda niyan. Now, one or the other, all of us have suffered from muscle pain, and some of you have used, or many of you have used different kinds of pain relievers like mefenamic acid, ibuprofen, celecoxib, meloxicam, and so on and so forth. These are good products. If you're gonna ask me, these are very good products. Talaga maganda po yung mga yan. Okay? Medicine, should I say, maganda po yung mga yan kung bigay ng mga doktor, prescribe ng mga doktor. Huwag niyong abusuhin. Why? Number one, it can damage your kidneys. And number two, pwede mag-lead sa ulceration ng stomach po. Go for natural means, like this one, Curelief Thermal Relief Patch. Paano ginagamit, Doc? Take a bath first. Of course, with soap and water, dry up your skin, and apply the patch evenly on parts of your body that are suffering from muscle pain. Dapat pantay na pantay yung pagkakalagay, hindi kulukulubot. Kasi magkakos ng irritation. Now, with the 9 components, you can be able to feel a soothing heat relief because of the warmness of the patch that may relax the muscle. At the same time, can dilate the blood vessel para ping swelling sa paligid will go inside. Bawas ka agad ng pain, ng muscle pain within an hour. And as fast as 6 to 12 hours, yung iba po, totally wala na yung pain. What if sumabra ng 24 hours yung pain? Wala pa rin problema. Bakit? Because this patch can last on your skin for 48 long hours. Pero ang pakiusap ko po after 48 hours, while taking a bath, tanggalin niyo na po ng dahan-dahan to avoid irritations on your skin. Okay? Now, isa pang napakagandang produkto that I would like all of you to have, okay, is the Molecular Hydrogen Ultra H2. May mga nauna po sa ating mga nag-promote ng molecular hydrogen. Ang lalaki ng devices, ang presyo 100,000, 200,000. Pero ang kanilang parts per billion, nag-average lang po ng around 100 to 200, napakababa. Ours contains more than 1,500 parts per billion. Kasi laki lang ng tumbler. Okay? Tapos you can bring it anywhere you want. Very reasonable ang price. Sabi nga po natin. Let me repeat more than 1,500 parts per billion. It's either you inhale the product using the nasal cannula or just drink it right away. Kasi pag ininom mo yan o na-inhale nyo po, once molecular hydrogen goes inside your body and encounters different kinds of free radicals, they will bind with it and they will neutralize the free radicals. Kaya nga tawag dito super antioxidant water. Super antioxidant water. My dear leaders, lilinawin ko po sa inyo. Gaano kaganda ang produkto po natin? Well, it has more than 800 human clinical studies and Japan and South Korea po ang utak behind this great product. Yun eh. And again, your entire family may benefit from this product. Clear? Okay. Now, what else? Isa pang napakagandang produkto, especially for the ladies, will be Angel E. Hindi po siya vitamin E. Hindi rin po siya estrogen. It is with estrogen 103 wonderful herbal medicines, okay, or herbs that will try to mimic or copy the wonderful effects of estrogen for our female clients, pambabae. It is with astaxanthin and beeswax. Look at the level of antioxidants, napakataas. may mega anti-aging, skin whitening, collagen peptides for the skin. Ladies, your skin will become elastic. You can be able to prevent the so-called dysmenorrhea or painful menstruation, okay? And kung kayo po nasa stage na po ng menopausal, may menopause, na kung saan pwede ka magkaroon ng mood swings, energy swings, vaginal dryness, hot flashes, naku, subukan niyo po ito. We have clients na talagang nag-testimony na po sa kagandahan po ng produkto. Ano po bang nangyari? Meron tayong nakausap na mga clients natin, ang age po more than 50 na, mga late 50s, and nag-start na po siya mag-vaginal dryness. But when she started using the product ng vaginal wellness po ulit, and of course, yung effect po sa kanilang sexual relationship ng husband niya, nag-improve po ng gusto. Sa atin kasi kung maganda po yung effect sa ating mga kliyente, masaya rin po tayo talagang lahat. Maliwanag po. Yon, okay ha? And these are the great products of the company. So, itype niyo po dyan, okay? The best ang products. Yan. Type niyo po, the best ang products natin. Okay. Again, let me drink my coffee.